Got one, guys. Fish, 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 fish. Bobber down. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys. What is this? Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. Heck yeah. Look at that. Right there. On that pink jig. Tipped with a little egg. Look at that cutthroat. That's a good, solid, at least a 12-incher. Maybe bigger. Alright, guys. Looks like a nice male cutthroat. We're gonna get him right back. There he goes. Alright, guys, let's do that again. That was like my 5th or 6th cast. Oh. Got one, guys. Fish on. I think that's a very nice cast. Oh, guys, another nice cutthroat. Looks like it may be a steelhead smolt. No, it's a cutthroat. There we go. Look at that fish, guys. And I mean, yes, I would wet my hands, but the water is, I mean, you can see it's clear down there, but another nice cutthroat. I'll take that all day. Pop him right off the hook just like that. It's good to go. That was a very nice cast, I'm pretty sure. So let's see if we can do this, guys. 3 casts in a row, maybe. No. Bobber was so down. Wasn't paying attention either. Oh my gosh, it was a steelhead. I saw that fish flash. That looked like a steelhead, guys. Maybe just a really big cutthroat, but that honestly looked like a steelhead to me. There we go. Come back. We're going right back in there too. Fish. Nice. Nice cutthroat once again. That's a big, that might be bigger than the first one, guys. Ooh, that's bigger than the first one. Absolutely ate that jig. Come on, chill out. Look at that. Look at that, folks. That is a nice, nice fish, y'all. Just gonna get him off the hook, just like that. Oh, oh, oh. Good to go. Guys, that was a nice cutthroat on this little jig. Pink jig. That is awesome. Alright, guys, well, that was a fun little, I don't know, 30-minute fishing session. I decided, hey, you know, I have a couple hours after school, or not really a couple hours, but like, I had about an hour after school. Come out here to my local creek. Just to try to get on a few little cutthroats, little trout, fishing action. Yeah, I mean, all I had to do was, I mean, you guys saw what I was using today. I was using this little bobber and, little bobber with a pink jig. That's about it. This is a Mustad Sika Series 1/16 ounce jig. I had a little bit of eggs left over from the river that I was fishing a couple days ago. I just left them on there and let them fall off as I caught fish, but that was fun, guys. Caught some really nice cutthroat, 2 really big ones, and then a few other small ones. So if you guys enjoyed this video, it's getting dark, as you guys can see. I mean, you can't even see the river anymore on camera, maybe, probably not. But anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next one.